$96,000 in 1 month and over 100,000 views. Join me as I review this breakthrough product and why it worked. What's up, everybody? Dave here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to review a pretty interesting listing here that is in a fairly well-known niche. However, it's managed to accumulate close to 6 figures of revenue in a single month. And it's pretty amazing. Before we jump into it, grab the free Etsy Ads cheat sheet in the description below. It'll help you get started and teach you a lot, even if you are an intermediate Etsy seller. Also, if you would like hands-on help with your store, I've helped hundreds, if not thousands, of Etsy sellers reach 6 and 7 figures and beyond. I'd love to have you in my mentorship program. You can book a free 10-minute call in the description below. So let's jump into it. Here's the listing right here. It's a Montessori toy, which is a very popular segment of toys nowadays. The title here is Montessori Toys Personalized Baby Busy Board. That's a keyword right there. Baby Busy Board. Custom name puzzle, gift for boy or girl, first birthday gift, baby shower, gifts for kids. I think the custom aspect of it, well, I know the custom aspect of it, as well as the Baby Busy Board is doing a lot of the work in terms of the SEO, but I'll have Everbee analyze here, and it's estimating at $96,000 monthly revenue, and it has a growth rate down here of 136%, which is pretty amazing. That's a great metric I like to use when I'm looking through Etsy and analyzing listings to see if it really is growing, because you can find like age-old listings that haven't done much in a long time with big numbers, but the growth rate is truly telling to if it is actively growing, which is a good sign, because that way we know we can draw inspiration from it, or we can learn things from it, because we don't want to learn things that worked, 3, 4, 5 years ago. In terms of sociological trends, at the very least. So 2,800 sales, the listing age is 5 months old. So I would say that's pretty killer. So really good job. 2.64% on the conversion rate tells me good photos, good pricing, all that kind of stuff. The base price here is $24.99, but there are some multiple sizes. So we can do max, and it also is priced by the amount of letters in the name. Colors are different, multiple colors. If you want 3 colors, then it's going to be more. If you want just 1 color like that, then it'll be less. In order to do no name, which is sold out, that's $24.99. So I wonder if there was actually ever any no name versions of this. That is an interesting strategy if there wasn't ever, because you would put a variation in there that's cheapest, then have it be sold out. It would show in the listing rankings. That's definitely gray area, morally speaking, but that's very interesting to note. I would definitely note that, and just remember that that is being done out there. So that's all the stats on this listing side of it. I want to dive into my personal analysis for this listing, product analysis, why it worked. So number one, I would say, it's a custom name product in the kids niche. I've reviewed these types of products before. That's a very hot niche. Now, you don't have to jump on every trend. I'm just showing you things in these types of videos that I do, because I want you to learn the sociology behind why a lot of listings on Etsy do well. So I'm not showing this to you so you can go out and make this product, but I'm showing this to you so you can be a better Etsy seller, so you can be a better researcher. So number one, it's another custom name plus kids product. I've done a lot of these. These two things combined with a unique product tend to blow up easily. When it's a unique product, it has a custom name option, and it's in the kids niche, these always do well. It's crazy. These always do well. It's not a trending, niche really. It's not trending. It's just sustainably in demand. People love buying cute things for their kids, just like people love buying cute things for their pets. So if you can also add an educational aspect to it, which is number 2 here, Montessori, that that makes it even better. It's a educational custom name kids product that's unique. So it's crazy. Montessori is number 2. What is that? That's a trending, or has been trending, has been doing well for years now. It's like a kids education buzzword. It's developed by Dr. Maria Montessori. It's like hands-on learning pretty much in a nutshell. Fosters independence, self-directed learning, love for knowledge through hands-on activities in a specially prepared environment. So it's like a hands-on experience pretty much. And people throw it around very easily on Etsy and nobody really gets mad. So you can slap that on there. It's kind of like when throwing boho on everything used to work. People are throwing Montessori on kids stuff. But to be fair, this really is a Montessori product. It is like hands-on and learning and stuff. I would say like it does look like there's a lot of moving parts and like my kid might choke on it. I don't know if I would buy it, but it's doing really well. The number 3 aspect of why it's doing well. But before we get into that, guys, if you want to build your own store outside of Etsy and have a standalone website, I highly recommend you check out Everbee Store. It allows you to build your own website. You can use AI, you can use the templates, and you can import listings from other platforms. It's extremely powerful. It's extremely intuitive to use, and I highly recommend checking it out if you want an easy solution to build your own website. And the link is in the description. So number 3 here is toys/playroom. So that's a great niche. I've seen a lot of products just in that niche do really well. So those are the 3 things that this product has going for it. It's a custom name plus kids niche, plus it's a unique product, plus it's the educational hands-on Montessori buzzword type product. And it is, you can even throw, kids room on this one. Let's look at the tags. Boy, busy board, baby 1 to 3-year-old, busy board gift, busy board toddler, custom name puzzle, activity board, kids wooden toys, child activity board, toddler girl gifts, baby toys, green busy board, Montessori toys. Yeah, it's popular. These have a lot of busy board tags on it, but all in all, it's a great product. I don't know about the seller. I don't know about the product sourcing, but all I know is why it worked, and that is why. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Grab the free Etsy Ads cheat sheet as well as a free 10-minute call with me, and I hope you have a beautiful day.